All right, so today's our mid-chapter checkpoint for chapter 8. Um, and it's pretty much just 1 and 2 pages. There's going to be no assessment with it. So, you kids that are at home, don't just try to get through this page. And before you even watch this video, go through and see what you can do. Pause right now, okay? Pause right now, see what you can do, see what you're struggling with, and then come back and watch this video to check it, okay? I'm going to walk through all the answers, but see what you can do, see if you can get them right. And if you don't get it right, circle it. No, okay, this is something I'm struggling with. This is something I got to ask Miss Campbell or Mr. Heaver about to understand, I'm having a little bit of a hard time with this. How can I fully understand it, okay? So pause now if you haven't completed it. If you have, then good. We're gonna start now. So a blank is a number that names the part of a whole or in a group. If it names part of the whole, that's going to be the numerator. And then this blank tells us how many equal parts are in a whole or in the group. That's how many there are, how many pieces total. That's the denominator. And we know both of these make up a fraction. If you don't know how to spell it, they're right here, okay? Numerator for top, denominator for bottom. It says, how many equal parts do we have? Well, we have 2 equal parts. Then how many are shaded? Well, 2 halves. Okay, write the name. It doesn't say write the fraction, write the name. So right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 equal parts, or 8 eighths. And right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts, or 4 fourths. Okay, 2 halves, 8 eighths, and 4 fourths. Down here, it says, how many equal parts do we have? And then we're going to write the fraction that name. So this is the name for the parts. This is the fraction. So we have 3 equal parts, and of those 3, 1/3 is shaded. Here we have 6 equal parts. 1/6 is shaded. Lastly, we have 4 equal parts, and 1/4 is shaded. Now we're on the back. We got to find point A, point B, and point C. This is a lesson we just did the other day. So we have 0 out of 6. We know this is going to be 1 out of 6, 2 out of 6, 3 out of 6, 4 out of 6, 5 out of 6, and 6 out of 6, which equals 1. Okay? And this is a number line. So point A, we can see it's at 1 out of 6. Point B, we know that's 2 out of 6. And point C is at 5 out of 6. It's easy. If you go through and just fill it in beforehand, you can just look and solve. 1/6, 2/6, and 5/6. Number 12, Jessica ordered a pizza. What fraction of the pizza has mushrooms? What fraction of the pizza does not have mushrooms? So let's find the total first. The total is going to be the same for both. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces total, and 2 out of 8 have mushrooms. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 8 has no mushrooms. Has no mushrooms. So 2 out of 8 has mushrooms, and 6 out of 8 has no mushrooms. And if we do this fraction, you don't have to do this, but let me show you. The denominator stays the same when we add. Now 2 plus 6 makes 8 out of 8, and 8 out of equals 1, which is a whole pizza. Every piece. Just to show that makes sense. It says, what fraction names the shaded part? So I'm going to do both. I'm going to write which fraction names the shaded part. I'm going to write it and do the fraction. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 total pieces. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 8, or you could say 5 eighths. 5/8 or 5/8. This is 5/8 as well. The next one says 6 friends share 3 oatmeal squares equally. How much of an oatmeal square does each friend get? So we got to divide each of them into 6. So let me do that right now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. And let's say friend 1's going to get all these pieces. Friend 2's going to get all these pieces. Oops. Friend 3 is going to get these pieces. 4 is going to get this piece. Friend 5 takes this one. And 6 takes the last one. So how many pieces is one friend getting? Well, let's do just friend 1. Friend 1's getting 1, 2, 3. 3 out of how, and what are they divided into? 6. So we're not doing the total number of pieces. She's getting 3 6th size pieces. So 3 6. So each friend gets 3 6. And that's it. So if you got through and went through and got them all right, congratulations. That's awesome. We're on track. If you missed a few, don't worry about it. We'll get caught up, okay? Other than that, you guys have a good one. It's a short video today.